Hello everyone, I'm Jackie from ThinkMo. The topic of our video today is what is the difference between a router and a computer. In fact, router and computer are similar. From the hardware point of view, the CPU, the fan, hard disk, motherboard, network card, memory stick, it's central. Both computers and routers are used, but the name is different. The hard disk is called flash in the router. The network card is called interface in the router. So the router is the plus version of the computer. From a system point of view, the computer uses the Windows system. The router uses a router system based on the Linux kernel for secondary development. The kernel of some of our phones is also Linux, so the bottom layer of our mobile phone and the router system is the same. They just focus differently. Computer desktop can be operated with mouse. This is convenience. The focus of the router is to forward data. So, when you see a router, you can think of it as a business computer. It will be easier for everyone when they first start learning. The content we share today is over. If you have any problem in your work, you can leave a message to me. And remember to subscribe my channel. See you again.